Welcome to the Quizzy Mind. Think you know animals? Let's see if you can guess them just by riddles. You will have just 3 seconds to guess the animal by riddle, so think fast. Before we start, subscribe our channel for more fun and challenges. Ready? Let's begin. First riddle. I have big ears and a long trunk. I'm the largest land animal. What am I? Elephant. I have a mane and I roar. I am the king of the jungle. What am I? Lion. I hop around and carry my baby in a pouch. What am I? Kangaroo. I have black and white stripes and look like a horse. What am I? Zebra. I am small, I squeak, and I love cheese. What am I? Mouse. I slither on the ground and have no legs. What am I? Snake. I have webbed feet and love to quack. What am I? Snake. I say moo and give you milk. What am I? Cow. I have sharp teeth and I love to swim in the ocean. What am I? Shark. I have no bones and I can glow in the dark. What am I? Jellyfish. I live in the trees, love bananas, and swing with my tail. What am I? Monkey. I have wings, but I'm not an airplane. I can be colorful and talk. What am I? Parrot. I have 8 legs and spin webs to catch my food. What am I? Spider. I sleep all winter and love honey. What am I? Bear. I run in the wild, have antlers, and love to eat grass. What am I? Deer. I can change colors to blend into my surroundings. What am I? Chameleon. I have a hard shell and I move very slowly. What am I? Turtle. I have a bushy tail and love to climb trees. What am I? Squirrel. I have big eyes and say hoot at night. What am I? Owl. I'm a bird, but I can't fly. I live in cold places and waddle when I walk. What am I? Penguin. I am black and white and eat bamboo. What am I? Panda. I live in water, have a long snout, and sharp teeth. What am I? Crocodile. I'm the tallest animal, and I have a long neck. What am I? Giraffe. I sleep upside down and use echolocation to find my way. What am I? Bed. I have gills, fins, and swim underwater, but I'm not a mammal. What am I? Fish. I am known for my humps and can go without water for a long time. What am I? Camel. I am small, furry, and known for stealing shiny objects. What am I? Raccoon. I am a reptile that looks like a dragon but much smaller. What am I? Lizard. I hop and have long ears, and people call me lucky. What am I? Rabbit. I am a tiny insect and I love to drink blood. What am I? Mosquito. I say ribbit and love to jump in the water. What am I? Frog. I have whiskers and love to chase mice. What am I? Cat. I am man's best friend and I love to bark. What am I? Dog. I look like a horse, but I'm much smaller and people love to ride me. What am I? Pony. I am pink in color and stand on one leg. What am I? Flamingo. I buzz around flowers and make honey. What am I? Bee. I have big eyes and I can jump very high. What am I? Grasshopper. I am a farm animal and I go baa. What am I? Sheep. I have sharp claws and I love to scratch trees. What am I? Tiger. I have a shell and move very slowly. What am I? Snail. I have 8 arms and I live in the ocean. What am I? Octopus. I am a bird, but I can't fly. I run very fast instead. What am I? Ostrich. I am green, and I love to sit on lily pads. What am I? Frog. I have black and white fur and spray a smelly odor. What am I? Skunk. I love to laugh, but I'm not a human. What am I? Hyena. I have sharp fangs and I slither on my belly. What am I? Cobra. I can be found in the desert and I have a venomous sting. What am I? Scorpion. I look like a horse, but I live in the water. What am I? Seahorse. I am a big cat that is great at swimming. What am I? Jaguar. I am the fastest land animal. What am I? Cheetah. You made it to the end. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome quizzes. See you in the next challenge.